Welcome to Successful Tradings. In this video, we are going to talk about the 1450 Club reviews. This is a service that's out there. So the way that we're going to do this 1450 Club review on here, we're going to use a recent article that we published on our blog, successfultradings.com. And we'll quickly go in there. The aim is for people who are looking for information about the 1450 Club to find that information on the blog on here. So here we are sharing, what are we sharing on here? We are sharing the outline, the table of contents of the whole article. Our research shows a lot on here. So in the review, from the breakdown of its creation, its owner, the person behind it, going to Agora Financial, Bota Capital, all sort of things. But for this specific section on here, so you can discover everything on here first. Let us go ahead and focus on the section what people are saying in terms of so that you can have an idea if yourself you have been wondering about this 1450 club on here. So let's just scroll on here, as they have been associated with other type of investment and dealings. All right, so we started here what people are saying. So let me remove that. So Phil, all of these are new, relatively new, right? February 6 2020. Okay, so Phil says, I'm a chapter member. Problem with the program is if you have very little chance of enter his trade recommendation unless you attend his live stream broadcast, because the practical takes off too fast. If you don't enter his trade within 30 seconds or a minute, then the price limit is exceeded. His later email recommendation arrived way too late. This is verbatim of what, so sorry for the typos in there. Also, he has so far averaged about 1 to 2 trade a day, sometimes none. I monitor his 1450 portfolio at Money Press, and his open trades at mostly negative or show no value. He only brags about his positive close trade, never about its total profits after losses. Another one from Carlos from March 29. I joined the 1450 for a couple of months and lost $3,000 in just a week with a trading average of $200, $400 per trade. There are some good calls, but many bad ideas that will not make you any money. That's why I lost most of the time. I did receive a refund after emailing them a couple of times. Okay, June 17. I subscribed to 1450 Club in November 2019. Is overhyped, and Andrew King is the owner, the founder of the 1450 Club, if you're wondering. Only paper traded. Never use his own money. Please do not join the 1450 Club. It doesn't do what is. Okay, by the time Andrew called a trade, the price already went up, and when asked him to trade real money, he kept giving excuses. This is from Wally from June. So Cindy has don't understand why a millionaire charge so much for an average. I mean, we could capture 6 months ago. Unfortunately, the 1450 is a bad deal. Okay, many times you can't get into a trade because within seconds the recommended price to get in has passed. Okay, so Andrew King claims to have 11,000 members. But folks, the list goes on. We're not gonna read all of it on here. Let's focus on here for this piece of information. So the price for joining the 1450 Club, if you're looking for that information, is $5,000 per year. It's a researcher here said it's a bargain from the company perspective, since they guarantee 25 times. Yep, or 2,500% of your on your first year. But when you're trying to join the subscription, it will tell you that the offer is no longer available. This is something, yeah, that's our screen capture on here. So not sure what's going on with that. So in terms of reviewing this thing based on all the feedback that our research gathered, the pros, nothing worth mentioning. Professional advertisement can surely entice you. I guess that's a positive, I guess. So the company track records that has history of scamming customer, no transparent about financial, a lot of complainer on the beta bureau. That information is included on the website on there. So that's what we are capturing on here. Yep. So, and pricey, it all depends. So I found out of on here for this quick review of the 1450 Club. We showed you where you can find this information on our blog at successfultradings.com, and a lot is available on there, so that you can make your opinion, but more importantly, you can determine if that's something that you want to embark on. So we hope that you find value in this 1450 Club review. Please leave a comment. If you would like to get similar type of reviews on some programs that are out there, leave us a message on below. We are going to share the link, the very link of this article, in the description of this video. Have a great evening, have a great afternoon, have a great morning, wherever you're watching from. We will continue to cater the content of this channel to your liking. Bye bye for now.